We're going to troubleshoot the module not found error. No module named onnxruntime error in Python. This error means Python can't find the onnxruntime library, which is crucial for working with ONX, Open Neural Network Exchange models. Let's go through the common causes and solutions. 1. Verify installation. The most obvious reason is that onnxruntime isn't installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and use pip show onnxruntime. If you get an error, or it says the package isn't installed, you need to install it. Use pip install onnxruntime or pip3 install onnxruntime, depending on your Python setup. If you're using a virtual environment, which is highly recommended, make sure you're activated before installing. Sometimes pip install upgrade onnxruntime can fix issues with an existing, possibly corrupted installation. 2. Check your Python environment. Ensure you're using the correct Python interpreter. If you have multiple Python versions installed, pip might install onnxruntime for the wrong one. Double-check your Python version or Python 3 version matches the environment where you're running your script. Relatedly, if you're using a virtual environment, always activate it before running your code. 3. Path issues. Python needs to know where to find the installed packages. Problems can arise if your Python installation's path variables aren't configured correctly. This is less common with modern Python installations, especially if using a package manager like pip, but it's worth checking if other solutions fail. This usually involves adding directories containing your Python installation and its site packages folder to your system's path environment variable. This is OS specific, so consult your operating system's documentation for instructions. 4. Conflicting packages. Sometimes conflicts between different packages can cause this error. Try uninstalling and reinstalling onnxruntime. You can also try a clean install by creating a new virtual environment before installing any packages. This ensures a clean slate without lingering dependencies from previous projects. 5. Incorrect import. A less likely but possible issue is a typo in your import statement. Make sure you have import onnxruntime exactly as it is written. Case sensitive. 6. CUDA GPU support, if applicable. If you're working with GPUs, you might need a specific version of onnxruntime that supports CUDA. Make sure you've installed the correct CUDA toolkit and drivers, and installed the appropriate onnxruntime GPU package. Pip install onnxruntime GPU. If you don't need GPU acceleration, using the CPU-only version, pip install onnxruntime is simpler. 7. Restart your IDE kernel. Sometimes, a simple restart of your IDE, integrated development environment, or Jupyter kernel can resolve transient issues. This forces a refresh of the Python environment and reloads all packages. If you followed these steps and are still encountering the error, provide more details about your system setup, operating system, Python version, how you installed onnxruntime, and the exact error message, along with the relevant code snippet where the error occurs, so more targeted assistance can be provided. Remember to always use virtual environments to keep your projects isolated and prevent dependency conflicts.